Hello YouTube, what's up? So we're done with the iPhones, we're done with the Apple Watches that came out. Gold, I got the gold one. Never got this color before on a watch, but it looks nice. And there's also the new iPhone, which I'm not getting this year because of a few reasons why. I'm sticking with my iPhone 10. There's a few reasons why, because I don't see it a big upgrade if you have a 10. Sure, the bigger screen on the Max is really tempting, but if you're upgrading from an 8 or 7 plus or that, then yeah, but not enough of an upgrade, especially that they're pricey now. So I wouldn't recommend it on the pricing. I'd wait if you have the patience to wait till next year. The iPhone, whatever it's going to be called, the iPhone 11. I know it's so early to be talking about it, considering this one just came out. iPhone 11 or whatever, 12, whatever they call it. Because this one's an S model. You know how S models are? They come out with little small features that make it faster. Sort of like the 6S, even the beginning 5S. Sort of like that. But next year, 2019, if you can wait, then there should be good update. So I'd wait if you can. If you have a 10, I'd wait. The Max looks awesome, but I still wait because there's even rumors now coming about the iPhone 11 next year that will have a triple. These are possible features: triple lens. And Apple is trying everything to eliminate the charging on their iPhones, the charging port, lightning. They don't want, their future is they want it to be wireless charging, everything, no ports, not even no ports on anywhere. So they're working on this now, so that could happen. And on the iPad, now it's almost October, so yeah, it's almost October, and they say they're gonna do an event on new iPad Pros, which is exciting because they're getting a whole redesign like the iPhone 10, 10s Max, 10s, whatever. It's gonna look great. It's gonna bring a whole new design to the iPad. We learned on the iOS 12.1 beta that it supports Face ID, supports landscape, which is important because I use my iPad landscape. So there's more to come. I'm just talking about the main things. If you have the patience, if you just wait for the next year's. Are you excited about the new iPad Pro? Please let me know. If you're going to buy an Apple Watch, let me know, and please subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.